Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For this video today, we are doing an all weekend clean with me. I ran out of time last Saturday while trying to power clean my house, and so the work just continued on to the next day. It was just me and Brielle, and I was trying to clean while trying to keep her entertained. As you can see, she's here on my bed. Every Saturday my husband does work, so it is mainly a mommy and baby kind of day. This is my newest obsession. It's the Downy Unstoppables. I don't like to use this on my normal clothing, but I love to use it on our bed sheets as well as our towels, and then my husband's work uniform because of how smelly I feel like his uniform can get. I currently use the method, I believe it's like sea salt or sea breeze or something like that scent. It's really fresh. The fragrance isn't very strong, which I like personally on my clothing. However, when it comes to our sheets, I want them to smell extra yummy. Then, as you all know, I always use OxiClean for our whites because I don't like to use bleach on it. So this is a room that you guys don't normally see, but it is my daughter's bedroom. She has a ton of clothing that I really needed to get into the washer, as well as her bed sheets. We don't have a huge washing machine, so I have to do her sheets in sections as well as my own. You guys, I was so excited to show you this. These are my new runners. I got them at Costco for $17. They're so cute. I believe they have like a beige kind of color as well, but I love them so much. I bought 2 of them. So we are in the process of purchasing a new skirt for the bed. We actually ripped ours when we moved, so I need to go ahead and get a new one of that. And you guys didn't see, but I actually went through and swept and cleaned every inch of our room because I have a lot of hair and it gets everywhere. But this rug, everyone always asks about it. I bought it at Marshall's for like 30 bucks. It's super plush and super comfortable. My daughter absolutely loves it. Every time I lay it out, she always runs towards it. There's my baby Brielle. And once again, my table is disgusting, so we're just gonna go through it and clean it while Ellie constantly walks all over the floor. These are Ellie's Moana books. She loves them. She leaves her books everywhere across the house. But for today, she's just eating a little PB&J sandwich. She is attached to my hip, you guys. She wants to be everywhere that I am. She even followed me into the bathroom. Let me know in the comments down below if that ever really happens to you. She's so loving and so affectionate. She's going to be 3 next week, and I am so sad because I just feel like she's growing too fast. So I totally forgot to record it, but I brought out my new sheets for the bed. It's this super cute pink one. It's really comfy. We got it as a gift, and so I just like the color scheme of it. On to the next phase, which is the reason why I am begging somebody for a cordless vacuum. I can't wait to get one because this is how I have to clean my stairs until I can get something a bit easier. I don't like to use a broom because I felt like all it does is push the hair around, and I just find that the vacuum works better. Okay, you guys, this is where we really get down and dirty. I don't think I ever had like an in-depth bathtub cleaning video ever. I usually just show the clips. But what I've done is I sprayed my Method antibacterial bathroom spray all over the shower, and I just started scrubbing as much as I possibly could. I really just wanted to disinfect and get rid of all of the germs. And it was actually quite a bit of work. I needed to keep spraying all over the place. I'm sure I can't reach the top of our shower head, so I had to climb up there, but I did it a few times. You'll see, like, I just kept spraying, scrubbing, rinsing, and then spraying, scrubbing, and rinsing. And then I really focused in on the drain area because I feel like that's where a lot of like the germs and dirt and everything can collect. So I really like soaked the drain with the antibacterial spray, and then I got to scrubbing. And then right after that, I used the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And this is what I pretty much use to get the floor really, really white and clean. I find that with this tub that we have, it's really difficult, and the Mr. Clean Eraser just brings back that extra shine, so I usually finish off with that at the end. So welcome to Sunday. Honestly, I tapped out. I got really tired after all that, and Brio really needed a nap. So I decided to just save the rest of it for tomorrow. We are now on the first level of our home, and it wasn't so much dirty. It just really needed a good tidy up. So that's pretty much what I did. I started fluffing all of our pillows, going through and just rearranging things, making it just a bit more tidy. You guys always comment about how cute it is or how sweet it is that my husband usually helps me with the cleaning, and honestly guys, it is super, super sweet. We both work more than full time, and so we feel like a lot of the chores in our home should be done together, 50-50. He also was out on this day doing the weeds in the grass and just cleaning up our front yard. I'm super blessed and thankful for all of that. I forced him to deep wash our garbage can because it was starting to smell. And once again, I'm just using my Method wood polishing spray. I love that. Look at that shine. It's so pretty. We tend to accumulate a lot of paper, so what I tried to do was organize our little stand and just get rid of all the items that shouldn't even be there. New product alert. So, and I know you guys know that I love the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle dishwashing soap, but I actually had run out of that, and now I'm using the Method, I think it's called the sea salt soap. I love it so much. It smells really good, but honestly, nothing beats the smell of the honeysuckle one. There was a little bit left in, so I mixed it with some hot water to use to clean my sink. And then, as you know, I just give a good antibacterial spray, and then I start scrubbing it down. I really felt like I needed to do this, as well as place some essential oil down the drain after all of that, because our garbage disposal is starting to smell. So any tips on how to get rid of that smell would be greatly appreciated. So that's pretty much it for this video today. I really do apologize. My camera died before I can get, like a before and after. But I hope you enjoyed this all weekend clean with me. I am hoping to be more consistent and starting to post, 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love communicating with you all. So thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.